I'm Junghee from Hello K Cooking Class. Quiz time! Hint! Your children will love it. Your parents, your friends, your grandparents. Everyone loves this food. And this is one of the popular Korean traditional food. Yeah, we are cooking bulgogi today. Let's talk about our ingredient. Meat. I prepared the beef, sirloin. You can prepare any part of beef, but sliced one. And mushroom, green onion, just a piece of pear, carrot, garlic, onion, pepper, sesame oil, sesame seed, soy sauce, and sugar. You get food. Special water. You can just prepare just regular water. Normal water. To the water, I just put this right and then leave it for half day. Then I can get this beautiful broth. So let's get started. So first, we need to get rid of blood with kitchen towel. Let's get rid of gently. So I prepared 400 grams of sliced sirloin. We need to marinate this beautiful meat. With this big tablespoon, let's add 5 spoons of soy sauce. And 2.5 spoons of sugar. And 2 spoons of sesame oil. And 2 or 3 big dash of pepper. And 2 big tablespoons of garlic. You can prepare the minced one. And add everything. Pear for the natural sweetness. Like garlic, we need to make minced. Then enough of sesame seed, around half big tablespoon, and then let's mix. Well, I'm using gloves. Oh, smells really good. So, bulgogi sauce is done. So this marinated bulgogi, you can just leave it around 30 minutes. We need to cut vegetables. So I prepared 3 big green onion. 1 I will cook with bulgogi. The rest 2 green onion I will add after cooking. So let's cut this one first. How thinly sliced. Just leave it like that. And these 2, make it out like this. And just a little bit of carrot, around 20 grams. And onion. I prepared a half onion. And mushrooms. Just big 1 handful of mushroom. Bulgogi can be perfect vegetarian food. How? Just a whole meat. And then you can add extra mushroom. Can be mushroom bulgogi. Super tasty. It's all ready. Let's cook. To the big wok, we prepared a beautiful marinated bulgogi, right? Let's add everything. To the center. And mushrooms, onions, carrot, and this glass noodle. I prepared 50 grams of glass noodle. Let's add everything. Spring onion, the sliced one, and water. As I told you, you can just prepare this just regular water. Everything. This scale, we don't use it. Let's turn on our gas burner. With high max fire, let's leave it. It starts boiling. Let's stir it. We prepared sliced meat, right? So we need to spread really well. Otherwise, you will get meatball. Until all of our ingredients cook well, let's cook. 누세요. 네. I've been cooking for 5 minutes. It looks so beautiful. It's done. With this spring onion, I will show you later how to eat this spring onion with bulgogi. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye. My favorite time, my baby's favorite time, eating time. So, 잘 먹겠습니다. Oh, look at you. We eat bulgogi with this spring onion. I'm looking for some noodle first. Ooh, with fresh spring onion all together. I want to eat meat with soup. Mixed together, one big mountain.